Hi, babes. I am happy to explain it for you. So, cashback is simply a promotional offer that usually comes from the manufacturer and the dealership to help push sales on selected vehicles. Ne? It's not something you are paying for, and it's not secretly added to your car price. It's a contribution to your deal, almost like a bonus to make the offer more attractive. You can use the cashback however you choose. Some clients take it in cash, while others use it to add extras like your car mags, sound systems, or even extended service plans. Personally, I always advise people to use their cashback wisely. For an example, if you have a high interest debt like credit cards or personal loans, rather use the cashback to reduce those. That way, you free up money and can focus on paying off your car without being overwhelmed. If you know you might misuse the lump sum, it might be better to use the cashback as a deposit towards the car. It lowers the finance amount and opens room for better interest rate negotiations. If you are trading in a car with a shortfall, you can also use the cashback to help cover that balance and avoid carrying that debt into your new finance. Just so you know, a 10,000 rands deposit can lower your car installment by 200 rand a month. A 50,000 rand deposit can reduce it by around 1,000 rand a month. That might seem small, but over time it adds up. Example, 200 times 72 months, it gives you 14,400 in savings over term. So, to sum up, you are not paying for the cashback. It's a manufacturer or dealer promo to boost deals. You can use it for what benefits you most. Let me know if you want me to check which cars currently come with cashback so we can get you started. I hope you were able to hear me clearly because I'm struggling with flu and I'm recovering. So I'm struggling even to breathe right now as we're talking. So have a lovely day.